into the garbage bag. Now I'm ready to go and find more garbage. I collected a lot of garbage here. Look, ooh. And I'm now going to show today, one of the ways to help save the environment is by feeding the birds. A lot of birds come, mostly chickadees, and there are a lot of other birds in the future, that come to here. Hummingbirds never come to their nectar. I don't know why, but there was a blue jay yesterday over there, and chickadees mostly come. We have sparrows too, and a lot of other kinds of birds, So this is a lot of helping the birds.